Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And what is your name, please?
Jeffrey Wildy.
Okay. And you actually live in Dawlish?
I live in Dawlish.
Nice one. And you use this, what's this called? A community church?
Yes. I have meals from here,
Do you?
and they deliver to my door. Very
Really?
kindly.
That's fantastic.
It's called the Spire Cafe, and it's been a lifeline to me as to many others.
Oh, that's
in the town.
fantastic. I'm glad to hear that. And what sort of food do they deliver?
Oh, a good variety. They do a main meal and a dessert every day except Saturday.
Wow. So what do you do on a Saturday then?
I cook my own.
You cook your own. But the rest of the time you're spoiled, are you?
I am spoiled, very spoiled.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And I look forward to it.
Of
because
course
you
you
never
do.
know what you're going to get.
Really?
So it's always a nice surprise.
And I believe it's home cooked, is it?
It is. They cook it here.
Wow.
Paul is a very good cook,
Wow.
and you can rely on him.
Fantastic. And what else do you do at the centre?
I come in and have coffee here. I play bingo,
Oh, wow, yeah.
and I come to afternoon tea, alternate Mondays at 3 o'clock.
Wow.
And they are starting on a Saturday evening when they do a 3-course meal every other Saturday.
Oh, you'll look forward to that then.
Yeah, and one fortnight they'll do a quiz.
Yes.
The other fortnight they probably have entertainment.
Wow. So you're very busy, aren't you?
Yeah. I'm very busy in the town because I do a lot at the theatre here.
Oh, do
the
you?
Shaftesbury.
Right. Are you connected to the theatre then?
Yes, I have been. I've always been in the theatre professionally since I was 4.5.
Wow. As an actor, you mean?
Yes.
And what was your major roles?
Oh, well, I've been in films. I did a film in 2007 with Miranda Hart.
Wow. That's
I've
fantastic.
I've been in Casualty,
Really?
Coronation Street at the beginning, and EastEnders twice.
So you're actually a famous man.
Well, not really.
Well,
No.
you are.
I'm what they call a supporting artiste.
Right. Well, it was lovely meeting you today, and I look forward to seeing you another time.
It's been my pleasure.
And it's been my pleasure. So I'll say goodbye for now, but thank you very much for your time.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.
To everybody.
Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Well done, Jeffrey.